Okay, today I'm taking a look at another Zippo I just received. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. This one came in the normal Zippo black box. Now they have labeled this thing skull hearts on a background. Just a description of what's on the Zippo. You can see there are lots and lots of skulls and hearts on this thing. Kind of a jumble. Now this thing is on a street chrome. Good sound. Steel insert. Now this one looks to be made in I of 15. So that's September, about 2 years ago. Really good stampings on this one. Some of the best I've seen, made in Bradford, PA in the USA. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this thing. Okay, there's the drop test, successful on the Zippo that has lots of skulls and hearts on it. That's just a sticker. A good Zippo for my collection. And yes, this is made in the USA. And actually the Smith & Wesson is made in the USA also. We'll give both of them a little cowbell. A knuckle bump.